President Donald Trump signed an executive order his first day in office seeking to end birthright citizenship for children of undocumented immigrants.
This morning, the U.S. Supreme Court weighed in on the order's legality, with the president making history as the first to attend oral arguments. Our Ben Bascuk joins us from Washington with the latest. Ben?
This morning, the Supreme Court weighed in on President Trump's executive order seeking to end birthright citizenship.
Being a citizen in our country is a privilege. It's not a right. And Donald Trump is going to have everyone in this country who deserves to be here who's a citizen.
Lower courts placed the order on hold, ruling it's unconstitutional. But the Trump administration says those courts are misinterpreting the 14th Amendment. The citizenship clause reads, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens. That's held to mean that if undocumented immigrants have a child on U.S. soil, that child is a citizen.
We're in a new world now, as Justice Alito pointed out, to where 8 billion people are one plane ride away from having a child who's a U.S. citizen.
Well, it's a new world. It's the same Constitution.
Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson pressed the administration on how implementing the order would actually work.
Now you say your rule turns on whether the person intended to stay in the United States. So are we bringing pregnant women in for depositions? What are we doing to figure this out?
Legal experts say that birthright citizenship requires a more long-term solution.
His executive order can get changed the day after the next president comes in. And so it really isn't kind of a permanent interpretation of anything the way maybe a law that would be difficult to overturn would be.
A decision in the case is expected by late June or early July. From Washington, Ben Bascuk, CitrusTV News.